Hi, I'm John Messner. I'm the director of the Computer Integrated Construction Research Program at Penn State University. So we're down at the Consortium for Building Energy Innovation in Philadelphia. So it's great to see the collaboration between industry practitioners from many different companies, designers, architects, engineers, as well as builders, combined with our students, and our students are from all different backgrounds as well. So we have students here from computer science, we have students from information science and technology, as well as our architectural engineering students. So it's all of these groups are mashed together of people from different backgrounds and different experiences, and that's what makes it so exciting to see the solutions that they put together in a very short time period that are impressive.
Great experience. This is my first hackathon, so it's great to see the different technologies and building tools come together and see how different people are kind of harnessing those and visualizing them as well. I think it's pretty exciting to see a huge movement in immersive environments, but as a team here, we're working on visualizing or understanding how we perceive temperature in spaces and understanding surface temperature of rooms. So we've deployed a whole network of the KT point-of-list sensors in a space downstairs, and we're monitoring that real time and pulling data from the API to create a visualization so we can understand surface temperatures of the room and what it means for radiant heat transfer to a space.
So we're making something for the HTC Vive where we can explore any building in VR, and we can basically pretend we're architects trying to renovate it. So we can we can just point at a wall and say, hey, I want that wall to be red, and then it'll turn red. And then we can also make it so we can put like little audio notes, like we can point at the window and say, oh, that window's not thick enough, we're gonna need to double the thickness of the glass to keep up our thermal efficiency. And so then there'll be a little audio file basically stapled onto the window there, so anyone else who goes through can see that's already been an observation that's been made. And so we're basically, our project is called V-Architect, and we're hoping for it to be usable for architects for virtual reality.
All the fruit comes from the direction of my...
So we're from Turner Construction, really the PA, New Jersey region. John and I are both from the New Jersey region, but we've got a couple people from our Philly office as well. The whole point of coming to the hackathon was to really raise the bar on our use of technology, kind of push ourselves as individuals and engineers, but also push Turner into some new opportunities. So figured a weekend with a whole lot of other really smart, much smarter people than us would kind of influence us to really take the world of BIM and visualization to a whole nother level. So we tapped into Unity, we tapped into SketchUp, we tapped into some of the great visualization and VR tools that are here. Everybody on our team has never touched any of this stuff before. So within 24 hours, we built an app from scratch. Looking forward to showing that off. Looking forward to doing the next version and in the next hackathon. So, yeah.
Yeah. As someone starting off with Turner, relatively a year and a half in the industry, I've learned a lot in the past weekend. Basically a way for us to mock up anything simply in using Unity. So
Without modeling anything. Models are preloaded.
Yeah. So in the past 24 hours, we've been able to come a long way, I think, but just using Unity to bring in different parts to be able to build a model and toggle on certain features, and at the end have something that we could use to explain things to clients or subcontractors.
So we worked on a dashboard for facility maintenance. Basically, the dashboard takes in sensor data and visualize it in kind of immersive virtual environment. And they also provide detailed information of all the sensors that we place around the room to give the facility managers more details or more idea of what could possibly be the issue to help the facility managers to diagnose the potential problem before he even responds to any work order.
Working on over here.
Project Tango.
Project Tango. Okay. What are we going to see tomorrow? What's the vision?
Workflow to see how it actually meshes all the different scans we do together, because it has no actual internal tracking of where it picks it up other than where you start. So you kind of have to know where you start and try and mesh them together.
Nice.
See how it goes.
Cool.
This whole thing was about architecture, engineering, and construction. CBEI is about deep energy retrofits in small and medium-sized commercial buildings. It's a marriage that, if not in heaven, was made to be here at the Navy Yard. So I was delighted, and I was impressed with both what the students showed up with and what the professional folks came here for as well. So it was wonderful.